What's good, people? Hey, welcome back. I do not have corona. I'm good, staying immune, built up. Hope y'all doing the same. Buying your vitamin C, you know what you need. Alka-Seltzer, I don't know. Tylenol, cold and flu, I don't know. Don't get Vicks unless you're sick, because it'll open you up. Without further ado, I did do a retwist, so I'm here to talk about that Jamaica Mango Lime Loc'd Cream Wax. Now, I used it last time. I didn't do a review, did a whole retwist. This time, I want to let you guys know how it works out for me, since I have done 2 passes for it, So, as you use it, it's orange. Take a little dab, only a little dab will do you. Let me show you. When you go to get a lock, even mine, that's shit, even if they is thick, you take a little dab when you're getting ready to twist that. That's all you need. That's all you need. Just this little dab will do you. That's it. Just a little smidge. That's it. You put it on there with some water and you get right. You know what I'm saying? You be alright. You feel me? But that's really all you need. If you do any more than that, it could cause buildup. I'm not gonna say it will, but it could. So watch out for that. Don't use too much at one time. Sometimes it's orange, this time it's yellow. I do like it. I do recommend it. If you want to use water, you can use that. Use what works for you. But as far as this retwisting cream wax, Loc'd Cream Wax, long lasting, no buildup. If you use it right, it should work the way it says. So if you got baby, mature, or long locks, you can use this. As you see, I got a do-rag on. This is how I sleep at night. If you don't got a do-rag, I mean, you can find something at the beauty supply store, like the sock bag thing without no opening to it. You can cut the end off with it, have your hair not hanging out if it's long. If your hair is short, you can use a stocking cap with a do-rag. I made a video about this, but here is the retwist. Now these are the pictures. I didn't really have any video, so I'm gonna just do a little spin around for you right now. Don't mind my forehead if it's dry. I do got eczema. Don't ask me how or when or why, but I got eczema. That is a retwist with the Jamaica Mango Lime Loc'd Cream Wax. If you do want to use that, cop it from the store. You can probably get it from Walmart, beauty supply store, wherever you need to get it. Walgreens, I don't know. Hit them up. Jamaica Mango Lime, you can order it online. This has been my review. I recommend the product. I'm still using it. Go grab it if it works for you. Till next time, it's your boy Mo Bay. Stay safe, stay clean. Keep it locked, keep it healthy. I'm out.